Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Monster MH22107 n-lite Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or they will not sync to your device, or they will not pair with your Bluetooth device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left or the right ear, a lot of these troubleshooting issues can be dealt with a hard reset to factory default settings. The other reason is if you want to just clear the pairing history out of them so that you can start fresh with a new device, this will work as well. All you need to do is go ahead and take your earbuds and put them inside the case. Open the lid and put them inside the case. And then you're going to come down and you'll see here at the bottom of the case there is a button. That's the reset button. You can press and hold that for about 10 seconds until the indicator light flashes, and the earbuds will automatically go into Bluetooth pairing mode and pair with as they were new devices with new earbuds with a new device.